Liberty. Hi, sweetheart. What? Oops. What'd you say? What are you talking about? Who's got a cute little voice? Cute little feathers on your belly. You know, when you get adopted, your feathers are all going to come back. I honestly think so. I think you're going to get your feathers back. My pretty baby. Oops. Hold on, I'll get you another one. Oh, you got it. You are so beautiful. You are such a pretty bird. You are so good, Liberty. You are such a good baby bird. You are such a good boy. Yes, you are. Look at you. Look at that Liberty. Love that Liberty bird.